Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to transfer money from Step to Cashapp. So all you have to do is open your Cashapp, and here you have to link your Step card to your Cashapp so that your Step account debit card is linked to your Cashapp, and that is where you will be able to transfer and send money between Step account to Cashapp. So in order to link your Step account card to your Cashapp, just click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your mobile screen, and here just scroll down a bit and click on linked banks, and here just click on link debit card, and here you have to enter your Step card detail. Just enter your card number and expiry date and CVV number, which is the security code, and zip code. And after you're done adding all your details, just click on link card, and once you link your Step card to your Cashapp, just come all the way back to your home screen, and here just click on the banking icon at the bottom left corner of your mobile screen. Just click on it, and now you have to click on add cash, and now you can select the amount you want to transfer from your Step to your Cashapp. Just enter the amount and click on add, and that is where you can successfully transfer money from Step to Cashapp. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it, and I'll see you the next time.